Shalom, y'all. Welcome to the channel. Happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day, and so forth and so on. Make sure you just celebrate appropriately. No blowing my fingers from fireworks. Anyways, a couple things I wanted to bring forth to y'all's attention is the leak that happened in California by the Attorney General's office of everyone's concealed weapon permit data. That should be a very concerning issue for everybody due to the fact that with that information being out there and the red flag laws that California have, which are a whole nother form of tyranny we won't even get into, because California is, well, California. We need to talk to our Congress and Senate people, about preventing stuff from like this happening. That directly hinges on, people voting. But the main thing I wanted to discuss today is the fact that I feel that the need or the time for being polite has about reached its course, has about run its course and reached the end, because if we don't soon start standing up for our rights and our liberties that we have, we will be the last generation to have these freedoms. And I know for myself and my family, my past family, we have fought and died in probably every major war except the Revolutionary War for these freedoms. I'm pretty sure that if I was to do a little research, my family goes back to the Revolutionary War, but I haven't done that yet. These freedoms are important because the Founding Fathers were a lot more intelligent than the idiots that we have in Washington today. They were of the same caliber of people, as far as education-wise, but they wasn't as twisted and as removed from the will of the people as the ones we have today. We elect people to go represent us, and then they get to Washington and they basically throw us under the bus. It's not what we the people want, it's what will line their pockets. And without the protections of the Constitution, we are going to lose everything that we've got. The Founding Fathers placed what they did in the Constitution just for that matter. The Founding Fathers had just threw off the shackles of a corrupt government, so they knew what needed to be in place for free people in society. And without the Constitution, we are a lost nation. I seen a cartoon the other day that really depicts the way the younger generations see things, and it made me think. It's got a artist painting on the bottom of what looked like a ceiling, painting on the ceiling, but what he's actually painting on is the bottom of a boot, and on that boot is wrote socialism. And I feel that if we don't do something, that's exactly where we're headed. But anyways, this is just a short video, short truck talk on Independence Day. Y'all go out, have fun, be safe, keep your head on a swivel, and don't do anything to get you in any trouble. Send you to the hospital this afternoon or tonight. But celebrate this day for what it is. I know it's not one of the appointed times that y'all has pointed to us, but it's still an important day in the grand scheme of things for we the people. With that, y'all have the audacity to survive. Shalom.